Hey there, welcome to the ukestuff channel and welcome to this tutorial video for the play along videos of There's No Place Like Home for the Holidays as performed by Perry Como. What we're going to do in this video is, first of all, we're going to look at the chords needed for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. Then we'll look at the chords needed for baritone DGBE ukulele, and then we'll talk about strumming. Just as a reminder, there are chapters here, so you can jump ahead to parts of the video that matter to you. If you like the chords that you see, you can find the chord chart at ukestuff.info. Uketabs is a collaborator with the site. And if you want to support the channel, there are 3 things you can do. You can like the video, you can subscribe to the channel, and third, you can always buy me a coffee to say thanks at buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. All right, let's begin with the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. I'll be using this instrument. This is my northern ukulele. First chord is the C chord, then the F chord, then the A7 chord, then the D7 chord, then the G7 chord, then the C7 chord, then a G chord. Then we have a couple of diminished chords. I use all 4 fingers. You could do a bar, but I use all 4 fingers. I plant for the F sharp diminished 7 chord, first finger on the 4th string 2nd fret, second finger on the 2nd string 2nd fret, and then the other 2 fingers go down onto the next row of frets, making that shape. Now, for the A flat diminished 7, I do the same thing except on the 1st fret. So I plant my 1st finger, plant my 2nd finger, plant my 3rd finger and 4th finger. That's the A flat diminished 7 chord, then the A minor chord, and then the D minor chord. And those are the chords you need to play There's No Place Like Home for the Holidays on GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. Now let's take a look at what the chords are for baritone ukulele. For baritone ukulele, I'll be using this instrument. This is my mainline baritone, cedar top, rosewood back and sides. The first chord is a C chord. Then the F chord. F chord is a partial bar chord, so you pull against strings 1 and 2 right above the 1st fret, right above the middle fret. Add your thumb for some support that should give you most of the clear sound you're looking for, and then add 2 fingers. Then we have an A flat chord, bar all 4 strings right above the 2nd fret. Add the 2nd finger to the 1st string 3rd fret. D7 chord, G7 chord. Now the C7 chord, make the C shape. Add 2 fingers to the 3rd fret of the 3rd and 1st strings. Then a diminished chord, F sharp diminished 7. I build it with 4 fingers. First finger goes on the 4th string 1st fret, 2nd finger goes on the 2nd string 1st fret, 3rd finger goes on the 3rd string 2nd fret, and pinky goes on the 1st string 2nd fret. Then the G chord. I notice I just moved to my pinky there. That makes that change very easy in the song. Then the A flat diminished 7, it's a 2-finger, fully diminished 7 chord. First finger goes on the 3rd string, 1st fret. 2nd finger goes on the 1st string, 1st fret. Then the A minor chord. And then finally, the D minor chord. And those are the chords you need to play There's No Place Like Home for the Holidays on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. All right, for strumming, I'm just going to give you 2 very easy ideas. The first one is to just go down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. Let's do it with the sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, go. So it's just down, down, up, down, up, down, up. My wrist is doing all the work. I'm strumming where the neck would meet the body on most ukuleles, not this one, but on many ukuleles. And it's just down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Finger goes to you, finger goes to the floor. You're playing into the fretboard, not just being afraid to hit the strings. And there you go. Right? Now, the other thing you can do is something like this. You can pluck the 3rd string with your thumb and then rotate to the 4th string with your thumb. So I do something like this. 3 strum, 4 strum, 3 strum, 4 strum, 3 strum, 4 strum, 3 strum, 4 strum. And it works out really well even with reentrant ukulele. So let's see if we can do that one together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, go. What happens if you miss something? You just keep going, get back on track. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. That works out pretty well too. I think with those two things, that's enough to just have fun with this song. Watch for the diminished chords that kind of take you by surprise and just have fun with it. All right, thanks so much for joining me for this video. I hope you're having a great day and a great holiday season, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.